Welcome, today I am with Huawei MateBook D15 and I will show you how we can turn on or turn off Wi-Fi and also how we can connect to the Wi-Fi network. So at first we have to click at the bottom right here on this Wi-Fi icon. As you can see, currently the Wi-Fi is turned on. To turn it off, just click here. Right now it's disabled. Okay, right now to turn it on back, click here, make it highlight on the blue color, and as you can see here we can find all networks around us. I'm going to connect, for example, for Zenfone 7 Pro. So click on Advanced, then tap to connect. Right now we have to input password of this network, and that's what I'm going to do right now. Right now, if you want to see your password, you have to click here, click and hold, and then if you are sure that password is correct, you have to click next. Right now you can enable to allow our PC to be discoverable by other PCs and devices on this network. I'm going to click no. And as you can see right now we are connected. So for example, we can open our browser, and as you can see we are online. So yeah, that's all. If you find this video helpful, remember to leave a like, comment and subscribe.